So that's why we have a mass every Sunday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon para to accommodate people. Kasi pilgrim chapel. No? Talagang even yung Marikina City, pinopromote siya as one of the pilgrim spots and tourist spots of Marikina.
Tama-tama, magle-Lent na. No?
Yeah. Recently, we just welcome 2-3 groups, more than hundreds of people come here, no, to see the relics and also to venerate yung mga relic ni Jesus Christ. No?
Yeah. And paano nangyari? Ikaw ay Vice Postulator ni Blessed Ivan Mercy. Di ba sa Croatian?
Yes.
So, bakit ikaw nag-handle, brother?
Well, 2003, 4, 5, I was studying in Bukidnon, studying liturgy sa Malay-Balay under the Paul VI Institute of Liturgy kay Father Ansgar Tupungko. I first met Blessed Ivan kasi meron kaming assignment, no, yung sa liturgical renewal of Vatican II to find significant persons on liturgy. And lo and behold, nag-type lang ako ng, no, I can still remember, liturgical renewal plus significant persons. Ganun lang yun, no? And then here comes the first search was Blessed Ivan Mercy. So, sino kaya itong Ivan Mercy na ito? And I opened it, I saw that he was really the promoter of liturgical renewal sa Croatia. Told Father Ansgar, Father, meron po akong nakita, ganito, ganyan. Oh, good, you research about him.